Hello friends, today's topic markets U-turn and down 5 reasons. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Yesterday, Indian markets rallied by 1.1% due to optimism of Donald Trump winning the US elections. Today, it has made a complete U-turn and fallen by 1%, so it has gone back to the same level as before the election results. Nifty is currently 8% below the all-time high. Yesterday, we had made a video that if Trump comes into power, there will be a small rally, and it became true. So the rally has been interrupted very easily. However, as per expectations, the overall downtrend continues. Following are some reasons why the market is not able to sustain an uptrend currently. Federal Reserve interest rate announcement tonight. The US Federal Reserve Monetary Policy meeting has been held on November 6 and 7. Investors are cautious ahead of the meeting. Rate cut is expected, but we need to see whether it will be 0.25% or 0.5%. But the main aspect is what the US Federal Reserve Chairman announces in terms of future rate cuts in 2025. President Donald Trump's policies may benefit American businesses. However, it could also increase inflation. Hence, we need to see how Federal Reserve reacts in the coming Reserve meeting. 2. Everyday selling since 1st October 2024. FIs have been net sellers of Indian stocks since 1st October. They sold shares worth 1.1 lakh crores in October. So far in November, they have sold shares worth more than 11,000 crores. FIs may continue to sell in this difficult phase of the market in spite of DII buying. Is only reducing the market fall and is not stopping it. 3. Quarterly results below expectations. Due to the overall negative sentiment in the market, unless the results are very good, the stocks are reacting negatively to the quarterly results. If the results are good, it is flat or falling slightly. If the results are significantly lower, then the stocks are falling by a large percentage. In fact, the opposite happens when there is a positive sentiment in the market. Even average results are cheered, the stock price rises. If the results are very good, then there is an exceptional rise in stock price of the particular company. The fourth reason why the markets are falling is waiting for Trump's announcement. Now that the election is done, markets are waiting for what policy announcement the new president will make in the coming months. Any anti-China stance taken by US would benefit India, since it may open up new opportunities for trade and strategic collaboration between US and India, the two countries. However, Trump has also criticized India for high tariff rates and has shown willingness to impose tariffs on Indian exports to the United States, which could also impact Indian businesses in a negative way. Fifth reason, new low for Indian rupee. Rupee declined to a lifetime low on November 7 of around 84.37 per US dollar. The expectation is that the policies of the US government will further strengthen the US dollar in the coming months. Although some investors would have got excited after seeing yesterday's rally, we must understand that the wealth is created by investing as far as possible when prices are lower. So if there is some more weakness for the market, it is a good news for all long-term investors. When the market is in red, concentrate on investing, and when it is green in future, you may be able to see the benefit of your prior investment. Of course, a particular sum of money has to be done as SIP, SIP, and not only wait for markets to be weak to invest lump sum amount. Disciplined investments and patience will create wealth in stock markets. End of the video. Here is the question. When market falls, what are you feeling these days? Happy, sad, or no difference? In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.